Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change to either Bitcoin only or go back to universal firmware on TREZOR Model One. If you only use Bitcoin on your TREZOR Model One, then it's worth changing to Bitcoin only account. But if you use more assets than just Bitcoin, then you should switch to Universal. And to do it, go to Settings, then go to Device. Now, as you scroll down to Firmware, you'll see Type. And you can see my current firmware type is Universal. I can switch to Bitcoin only. Once I click on it, I can click on Continue. Then you'll need to make sure that you have your wallet backup because it will erase all the data on the device, and if you don't have your wallet backup phrase, then you'll basically lose your money. So it is very important to have your backup, and you can also check it here at the top in the device settings. Once you click on check, you can just enter your wallet backup to verify it is correct. It'll just tell you if the backup is correct. And then you can switch to Bitcoin only, and you'll need to restore it from the wallet backup, and the same will do for switching to Universal. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.